Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to uninstall or reinstall games in Steam. So open Steam and here click on library. Here you will see all games which you purchased or some free games. To install your game, right click on it and here is the option install. Click on it. Here you can see the size about 70 MB. Then click on next and wait for a few minutes till this installing process will complete. So this is the free game. We can see here Steam is now downloading this game. Click on finish and wait till this process will be finished. And also you can get the free game from here store, and some games you need to purchase. So here is store and you can search game. This is the price for games. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. And guys, to uninstall and work off and option uninstall. Just as the example called uninstall. It will ask after this so if you are careful and you are sure, so click on uninstall. So thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe.